Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. For today's video, I have another unboxing haul. It's kind of a collective haul of things that I've purchased and also things that I've been gifted, so some PR packages as well. I'm super excited to show you guys all this stuff. I've kind of been collecting it for the past month to show you guys. I recently went to the mall, which I haven't been to the mall in like 3 years at least, like shopping in person. I just don't do that anymore. Everything's just online shopping these days. And then I have some Amazon purchases and some more online purchases. So I can't wait to show you guys everything that I bought. Let's get started. I think I'm gonna start with Urban Outfitters because I'm just in love with everything that I bought here. I only got 3 things, but Urban Outfitters is a little bit expensive, so it was kind of an expensive purchase. I also just had like so much fun trying things on. Like I don't really experience that anymore, like actually going to the store, trying on clothes and like picking out clothes that way. Everything I buy is like online or is gifted to me, so it was just a fun experience. They have some really cute stuff right now. I was like jumping all over the place, like looking at everything. I wanted to buy so much more, but I only got 3 things. So first, I will start with this dress. I made a TikTok about this dress and it low-key went viral and a bunch of you guys bought it on my Like to Know It shop, so I'm excited to share it here as well. It's from Urban Outfitters, obviously, but the brand is Kimchi Blue. They have really cute stuff right now. Like if you look at them on the Urban website, everything is just so cute. I wanted everything, but this is the dress I got. Oh my god! It's literally so cute and I just love the colors. I love the pattern, the little drop waist, ruffled bottom, and it's kind of like smocked in the middle here. So it fits really nicely, kind of like hugs you in. And then of course we have the little black bow at the top. Love that as well. It is a little bit short, I will say, but I don't mind. I feel like it's really cute for spring and summer. It's lined underneath, which I like as well. This was just too cute to pass up on. It was a little bit expensive. I can't even lie, but it's just so cute on and I feel like I'm gonna wear it a lot, so there's that. And then also from Urban, I got this little baby tee. It's so cute. I've never really seen like a t-shirt like this that has like the double, what would you even call this? Like hem almost? The double lettuce hem. So cute, matches my nails right now. Love that. Love the giant rose. It's kind of like this crackle effect, if you can see what I mean. It's super cute on. I just love it. I love the colors. This is so like me. Very much my style, so I had to get that. And then lastly at Urban Outfitters, I also got this top. The brand is Silence and Noise, which is also just like an Urban brand, I believe. I fell in love with this one. They also had it in black, which I was tempted, but I think the white just looks better on me. It's completely sheer, but it does have like a lining on the bra portion, which I love because I don't have to worry about like what to wear underneath. It's kind of this like deep V front. It kind of like sits off the shoulder a little bit. It's really flattering on. I just like had to get it. When I tried it on, I fell in love. I also love the little like bell sleeves, but they're kind of like angled down, which I really love. So I snagged this one as well. That was everything from Urban. Next up, I have some things from Garage. This was also from the mall. It's actually the reason why we went to the mall is because Garage was having a grand opening. I think it's the first store in Arizona. I don't know actually, but I was really excited because I love Garage. So we went to that and they had a lot of cute stuff. It was so hard for me to pick. Literally in my dressing room, I had like almost 10 things to try on and I had to like cut back a little bit because I was like, okay, I can't go too crazy, but I did get some really cute stuff. Firstly, this is probably my favorite. I got this little cropped baby tee with a bow on it. This is so cute, and also I really like the material. It's hard to describe. It's like the like stretchy t-shirt material. It's not like super tight in the armpit, which I recently just like hate that. Like I hate when baby tees are like suffocating me right here, especially in the summer when it's so hot. Like I just can't stand that. I ended up getting a small because the extra small was like too tight up here, but very on trend right now. They had a ton of these baby tees with different things on them. There was another one that I wanted as well. It had like a disco ball. It was so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, they had like a whole wall of those little baby tees. So I also got this one. Actually, my boyfriend picked this one out as well. He thought it was funny and I thought it was funny too. And it's just like major it girl vibes. It says, hating me won't make you pretty. Sorry. Hate to break it to you, but I actually do have haters. So I thought it'd be funny to get this because why not? It's kind of silly, but I love it. And then I got some bottoms. So I got this little pleated mini skirt. I struggle to find low waist mini skirts that fit me good, and this one was perfect because they make extra small at Garage, which is just fantastic. But it's hard to describe. It's almost like, I don't know, like khaki or like denim material. But anyways, it's pleated. It has like a side zipper, so there's nothing in the front, which I like. I also like the color. I don't really have a skirt like this. It looked cute with the pink baby tee as well. So they also had a tan one, which I thought about getting two because they fit me good, but I just stuck to the one. So for now, maybe I'll go back. And then lastly, I've just been really wanting sweat shorts or like comfy shorts to lounge in. So I got these little pink sweat shorts and they're kind of like cut off at the bottom, which I like. And they have pockets and they're super stretchy and just super comfy. Love the color. Definitely gonna wear these a lot, I feel like. So that was everything from Garage. Oh, they also gave me a little gift if you were like the first 100 customers or something like that, but because it was the grand opening. But they gave me these cute little sunnies. Are these cute? We say Garage on the side, of course. Super cute. But yeah, that was fun. I really liked going. It wasn't too busy, surprisingly. And I definitely want to go back because they had a lot of cute stuff. Okay, that was everything from the mall. Now I have a package from this online Korean fashion website. It's called Musinsa, I believe is how you say it. I would say it's similar to like ASOS, where there's like a bunch of different brands you can buy from. They carry a lot of like K fashion brands that you can't really find like anywhere else. But I got some really good stuff there. So let's open that up. I already opened this, but I just wanted to show you guys. So first up, I got a bathing suit. Oh my god, who is she? I don't really buy swimsuits because I don't really go swimming like ever, but I might go to the beach this summer. I've really just been looking for like a one-piece swimsuit, so I found one from a brand called Coretti. I always love shopping with them because everything fits me really well. It's super cute and the quality is like A1. So I got this one piece. Oh my god, this is so, it's just like such a vibe. It's kind of giving something. I don't know, it's a vibe. I love it. I love the black and white. I kind of just wanted something simple but trendy, if that makes sense. Well, I think they had like different colors in this, but I thought the black and white would look really cool. It also has their logo like rhinestoned on there, which I thought was super cool. It's also padded, which I love for a swimsuit. Also, the back is like a low back crisscross, which I thought was really cute, and I tried it on and it looks so good on me. Like, I was surprised. Normally I just like don't like wearing swimsuits, but this one makes me feel good about myself, so that was a plus. It also has their logo rhinestoned at the bottom here on the back side, and it's not too revealing, which I was really looking for because I feel like anywhere you look for swimsuits, like the bottoms are just so like up your booty. Like, I don't want that. That's not what I want. So this was just like the perfect swimsuit for me. Another thing from Coretti, I just got this little t-shirt with their logo on it. This one's rhinestone as well, but it's kind of more like beaded, I would say. I love the color. It's like this bubblegum pink. I also like it because it's not cropped. I feel like all my shirts these days are crop tops, and sometimes I just don't want a crop top. So I got this one. They have a bunch of colors. I think I'm gonna buy another color because I love it so much, and I love the material. I love the fit. Perfect for summer, so I just had to get that. And lastly, I also got this bag. The brand of this one is Saint Scott. It's kind of giving the COS bag, which I really wanted that. They don't sell that one anymore, I think, and plus it was like $80. I think this one was like close to $40. It's perfect, honestly. This is so cool. It's like the quilted cloud bag almost, and I love that it's like messenger style, so it's a lot longer. This is what the inside looks like. It holds a lot, actually. It's pretty spacious. I've been really wanting like a white bag. This is kind of like cream, but you know what I mean, like a light colored bag. Like, I don't really have big bags in that color, so I really wanted one, and this one was perfect. For the last of my purchases, I have something from Amazon. Lots of goodies here. I got some press-on nails because I'm taking a break from acrylics. I've had acrylics on for 3 years straight. I've never taken a break. That's honestly like so bad for you, and it was starting to show. Like my nails were like bending in half and they just looked disgusting. Oh, I'm just taking a full-on break. Right now I have some press-ons on as well. These ones are so cute. I actually got these on Amazon too. They're little Kuromi nails. They're honestly not that bad for press-on. Sometimes they look like really bulky, but I just filed them to shape to my nails and they're really cute. So I got 2 more. I also got these Hello Kitty ones. Stop, these are so cute, right? Let me hold them this way so you can see. Oh my god. Those are so cute. I had to get them. They're really cheap too. I'll make sure to link everything down below as well. Then I also got these. These are a little bit more like higher quality ones, I would say. They're from Paint Lab and they have little cherries. These were cute for summer, so I had to get these too. And the cherries are like little rhinestones. And then lastly from Amazon, I got a bunch of little bag charms. I've been really into the like decorating your bag trend. So the first one I got is this little Hello Kitty bear. Are you kidding? She's so cute. I already used her on one of my bags, but I took her off so I could show you guys. But she has a little bow and a little bear outfit on. I don't know. She's just so cute. So I got that one. I also got this one, which I thought was really cute. And these are all from Amazon, surprisingly. But I got this one. It's like pearl bow and then it has a little silver heart dangling there. It looks super cute on my black purses. And then I got this one. This one's just a little 8-ball keychain. I thought that was really cute. And the last one I got is actually a photo card holder. It's so cute. There we go. All right, so it's just like a little photo card holder, but it looks like a little cell phone. You just stick it in the back right there. And then it came with this little like bunny charm as well that you can like put on it. So I thought that was so cute. This one was really cheap too. And I don't know who to put in there, honestly. I'll have to think. So that was everything from Amazon. All right, now I want to move on to my PR packages. So all of these items were gifted to me. So just a quick thank you to all of the brands that I'm going to mention. First up is from Fenty, and guess what it is? It's a perfume. I didn't know she was launching perfumes. I got the email to receive this and I was like, oh my god, that's so cool. Anyways, the box is crazy. First of all, let's just admire that. When you open it, also crazy. Love the logo. It's so like sleek looking. Let's see. It's a scent that is rare, unforgettable, and demands to be seen. XO, the Fenty fragrance team. Yee! Why am I so excited about this one? Oh, this is hard to show on camera, but you have to pull this up like so, and that comes out. And I think it's like a little tray that you can put it on, which is so cool, honestly. Oh my god. Look at that. I'm gonna put this on my either my vanity or like my bathroom counter and put my perfumes in there. It's so cool. So it came with that, and then of course we have the actual perfume. I think this is like the travel set. Yeah, this is the travel set, and then they also sent me some refills. I'm excited to smell this. Oh my god, I haven't seen the bottle either. So cool. And the top has the Fenty logo. Ooh, it's definitely interesting. What did it say on the paper? Oh yeah, tangerine. I definitely smell that in there. Magnolia, musk, tangerine, and Bulgarian rose. It's more of like a floral, warm, spicy scent. That's what it says. I like it though. The more I smell it, the more I like it. I love the coloring too of the packaging. The blue and the deep orange. Very aesthetic. Super cool. Okay, what should we do next? Now we have IT Cosmetics. We're excited for you to try its #1 women's anti-aging moisturizing cream, Confidence in a Cream. Skin thirsty? Yes, definitely. My skin is so dry. So we have some moisturizers. I think this is my first package from IT Cosmetics. I've never really gotten anything from them before, so I'm excited to try this out. So it came with the anti-aging armor Confidence in a Cream. So this is just a moisturizer, and then it also came with a little eye cream as well. Super excited to try those. I guess we'll keep going with the beauty products. I have 2 packages here from Pixi Beauty. I'm excited. I always love their packaging. It's so cute. Ooh, little red box here. Ooh, I saw what it was. I peeked. Ooh, yay! Oh my god, they have the best. Oh, oopsie. things. They have the best blushes literally ever. It just glides right on. It's like the cream blush in a stick. So they sent me On the Glow blush tinted moisture stick, which I have these. I don't think I have this color. The color is called Juicy. Excited, excited, excited. And then it came with a tinted lip balm to match in the same color. Pixi Beauty is literally the best. I have so much of their stuff. Everything is always so good. Here's what the blush looks like. Ooh, this is gonna be so good for the summer. And I also like cream blushes a lot more than powder blushes. I just feel like they make my skin glow. Oh, and then here's the lip glow stick. Super fun. All right, and then we have another one from Pixi Beauty. Ooh, pretty. This box is so pretty. I have like a ton of their boxes like this because they're like really nice, high quality boxes, and they're always so cute with like little prints on them. So this one, ooh, this one has Rose Tonic Toner, Radiance Perfector, and then a lip oil. Ooh, I love my lippies. Ooh, it's like a little roll-on one. I haven't used one of these in forever, like since I was a kid. I feel like they used to be really popular. Cute. The smell kind of reminds me of the dentist for some reason. I don't know why. It smells good, but it just reminds me of the dentist. I believe these are just skincare items. Radiance Perfector, Complexion Enhancer. Cute, cute. It's pink, so obviously I'm gonna use it. And then just the toner as well. Thank you, Pixi. So cute. We have two more. Let's do Prada. Okay. Prada sent me Prada Paradox perfume. I love this one. I wonder if it's a new one or if it's the one that I've tried before. Let's open it. Literally one of the best perfumes I've ever used. I think this is the one I have. Love the bottle. It like sits like this too. Very aesthetic. I think this is the one that I've tried before, but I'm happy to have another one. 10 out of 10. My last package is from Asos. This is my first time receiving PR from them, so I'm super excited. They sent me some stuff from their like formal collection of like the actual Asos brand. Let's see. I already know what it is, but haven't opened it yet. I picked out a dress and some heels. Don't really have an occasion in mind that I'm gonna wear this to, but it's good to have a little black dress. Ooh, this is so cute. It's just like this black slip dress, and it's just nice to have. I actually don't have just like a plain black dress. Isn't that like a staple that every girl needs in their closet? I guess so. Now I have it. So I picked out that, and then I also got these shoes, which I also don't really have. I guess I do, but I don't really like them. They're kind of old. Just like a plain pair of black heels. So I thought these would be so cute. They have like the skinny heel and the square toe, which is so adorable. And the strap is like cushiony almost. They look super comfortable. I'll have to try these on. I'm really excited. This is the ASOS Design brand, and so is the dress. I'm so excited about these. So cute. I love them. Okay, I think that was everything. I made a mess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like making unboxing videos. I think they're so fun. They're so fun to make. They're so fun to watch, in my opinion. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I'll keep making more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!